Evening all of you. Now I'll show you how to download the Microsoft Teams and how to activate your Microsoft Teams which have been sent by your class teacher. So first open Google and type here Microsoft Teams download. So type Microsoft Teams download and click on the first link. And see here, this website will be opened, and from here, if you are using it for the desktop, click on this download for desktop, and if you are using for mobile, click on download for mobile. So I'm using for desktop, so what I will do is I'll install these Teams into my system. See, it got downloaded over here. So total size is 93.6 MB. It will take some time, depends on the internet speed which you have. The mobile version will be a light version. So if you are using it in a mobile, it won't take that MB. So after the downloading is completed, you have to install that Microsoft Teams into your computer. Now it's completed. So double click on that icon and follow the procedure which it shows you. It will take some time and it depends on the computer, the RAM capacity as well as the processor speed also, it will depends. And now the Teams has been installed. Now we have sent you a user ID and password also. With the help of that user ID and password, you have to log into this account. For the demo purpose, I have created a dummy account. So I am using that ID and password, and I am signing in with the help of that user ID and password. And remember one thing, user ID and password are case sensitive. So compulsorily you have to give the it is case sensitive, so you have to give the uppercase letters as uppercase only and lowercase letters as lowercase only. And the mail ID is not your Gmail ID. It is the ID which we have sent, which is sent by your class teacher to your group. Sign in, and we have created a password for you. So that password also consists of one uppercase letter. The first letter is the uppercase letter. Rest of the letters are the small letters only. So first letter compulsorily you have to give it in capital letter only. See, I have given it as correct. So it is asking to update the password. So in the first row, we have to give the password which we have given to you. Now you can set the password of your choice. Whatever the password you want to set, you can set that particular password and click on the sign in button. If all the three rows are correct, then automatically you will be signed into the Microsoft. See, now I have logged into this particular Microsoft Teams account. So click on this particular read that and click on that particular next button. 5 windows are there, and click on let's go. Now see, I am logged into my Microsoft account. So these options that are available and all will be explained to you by your faculty, no issue. And now we'll see another important thing. So logging is one of the important thing, and another one is how to join a class. So click on this particular Teams icon and see here one option is there, join a team with a code. So you have to enter the code which is given by your faculty. And so for example, I have typed something, and if I click on the join team, if that team name is there, then obviously you will enter into that particular class. So your class teacher or your mentor will create a class for you, and after creating a class, they will send you a code in the groups, and with the help of that code, all of you can join into the Microsoft Teams. Once you join into the team, from there you can continue with your classes that will be explained by your faculty only. Thank you so much.